In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can start building custom visual effects plugins just by using AI. Real plugins that work in both Adobe After-effects and Premiere Pro. We'll be doing it using this app called ZoComputer, and one of the main reasons why is because not only is ZoComputer an affordable and powerful AI agent, it also comes with its own cloud computer, which makes the whole process a lot faster since it can install, access, and communicate with all the necessary tools and dependencies that it needs to start building visual effects plugins. This means that Zo is able to build, install, and compile plugins all in one space without you needing to install anything at all. And after we set up our workflow, you'll be able to create and design visual effects plugins for your own personal use based off any inspiration and prompts that you want. So let's actually get into ZoComputer and start installing all the necessary tools and dependencies that we need for this. Now this tutorial works for both macOS and Windows, but both require their own different prerequisite tools to be installed on your ZoComputer first. And I actually compiled all of my research and turned it into one paste prompt that you can drop into your own ZoComputer to set up. I've put this prompt in the description below so that way you guys can just simply copy and paste it and then put it into your ZoComputer and set this whole entire workflow up. The only thing that you guys will need to do is to get Adobe's SDK from their website for both macOS and Windows. And for macOS specifically, you do need to own a MacBook so that way you can get your Mac's developer toolkit so you can use it to develop plugins for macOS. All of those are free to download and you can get Adobe's SDK right here and then Mac's SDK as well right here. But moving on, I'm just going to drop in the SDK zip file for Windows and I'm going to give it to Zo and prompt it to unzip it into a folder and analyze the toolkit. And now that we've set everything up and confirmed that the whole entire thing works, we can start building out our own cool custom plugins, which means that we can build any visual effects that we want. Okay, so let's actually delve in and start building some custom plugins out. So right here, we're gonna go onto Pinterest and I'm just gonna search for graphic design examples, mostly because a lot of the effects that people do in graphic design or in graphic design posters are really great to look at as a source of inspiration for visual effects. So I'm gonna click on this here and I'm gonna look at this and it has this sort of like grainy inversion that I wanna copy. So I'm just gonna copy the image and then put it into ZoComputer. I'm just going to type out a simple prompt to create a visual effects plugin based off of the image that I've given right here. And I'm just going to go and describe the plugin and what I want it to have, and then I'm going to send that prompt into ZoComputer. And while it sends its first prompt in, I can actually go ahead and start making more visual effects plugins by just making a new chat and giving some more examples. So I'm going to head back onto Pinterest and find another design inspiration. And here you can see there's this like black and white pixelation effect that I want to create a plugin for. And I'm just going to quickly prompt Zo to create it. And I'm also just going to go back and make maybe one more visual effects plugin. And I'm just going to put it into my ZoComputer and I'm going to get it done. And the really great thing about ZoComputer is that you can literally start using multiple chats all at once and start working on multiple visual effects all at once. It literally feels like you're multitasking. And after waiting just about 5 to 10 minutes, we can actually see that every single prompt has finished. Now, I've actually gone ahead and done a few adjustments to this inverted color grain here, mostly because I didn't really like the fact that it came out as an actual inversion. I wanted it to be a black and white inversion instead. And you can see here that Zo actually is able to render these effects and let you see a preview of what they're like, so you can actually adjust them before you get the full plugin and you test it out in After Effects. And so literally all we need to do now is to go into our files folder, go into our plugins folder, and then just basically download these directly to our computer and chuck them into our After Effects plugins and test them out. Here, I've just got some sample clips I'm just going to apply every effect onto and see if they work and how they look. And each effect is basically working perfectly. Not to mention, all of these visual effects and plugins should be able to work on Premiere Pro as well, since AEX plugins are backwards compatible with Premiere Pro and After Effects. Now there's a bunch more that you can do with this, and the limit is literally just your creativity. ZoComputer is great for a lot of other things as well, being an agentic cloud computer itself, meaning that you can run a bunch of other automations, tools, and workflows on this app. And if you want a link to download the app itself, you can go into the description below and get $10 in free tokens right now.